Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Because it's very important. You see, in life you should always view life as progress. I call myself an upcoming artist. People don't understand why. It's confession of how I want my life to be. If you're an upcoming artist, which means you're always going up. Because once you're up, the only way to go is down. So, second verse goes like this. I don't make mistakes. I don't grow. I don't learn some things I don't know. But I thank God, say I still be here. When they look, but I don't know, say, you don't take the days where I cry out, but my fire no go die out. Enemies, they want me to bow out, but my rivers of blessing will never dry out.
If there's something about you, let's have some fun right now. We're taking it back to the days when I was listen, there's something about you. There's something about you, something about you, something about you. There's something about you, something about you, something about you. Tell me, is there something about you, something about you, something about you? There's something about you, something about you, something about you. I feel you out of there, I see you out of there. I've been around the world. Shit, let's go.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gboah TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.